Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Biotechy. In this today video, we are going to see Bima bamboo plant. A bamboo plant which has invented newly can produce oxygen level for 1 year to each man in spite of today's current situation of oxygen demanding. Additionally, this bamboo plant can able to produce petrol, coal, fabrics if we use it duly at industry. The name of this type of bamboo plant is Bima, and scientist who discovered this plant is Mr. Bharati. Mr. Bharati belongs to Tamil Nadu, who runs Promore Biotech Limited at Hosur, Chipcot, and he is also hold a doctorate in agriculture. Normally, a bamboo plant can grow 1.5 feet per day, which makes Mr. Bharati to explore more about this category of plant. In this bamboo plant family, all over the world, totally 1300 types are there. Out of 1300, 800 types of bamboo plants are found in India. Especially at the region of Northeast India, this bamboo cultivation is at spike. The main reason is the temperature. In case of South India, only two types of bamboo plant, which is bamboo that has thorns and short stubby bamboos, is cultivated. In India, totally 139 hectares of the bamboo is cultivated. Compared to the cultivation of bamboo worldwide, India holds number one position in it. But this normal type of bamboos will not play an essential role at human life. For instance, if we can able to cultivate 125 lakh tons of bamboo from 139 hectares of land. According to this, for 1 acre only 400 kg of bamboos cultivating. But this Bima bamboo type can cultivate 40,000 kg of bamboos from 1 acre of land. This is the highlight of this Bima bamboo. For instance, if we decide to cultivate the already existed bamboo types at India, there is more complexity will be there. In case of thorn bamboo and shrub bamboo types, the habitat of snakes will be in high concentration. Because to alive hiddenly and also to remove their skins, this type of bamboo plants are convenient for them. So farmers can't able to maintain this bamboos due to snakes, like they can't able to irrigate it, and same time offering manure is also a troubling one. Additionally, this type of bamboo can't able to cut it for commercial purpose also. Mr. Bharati has started his research about the bamboo plant from the northeast districts of India. To know which type of bamboo category has high quality, he used to explore each bamboo type. From that exploration, he select one bamboo which is a quality one, and he tried to evacuate the problems that faced by the desired bamboo of what he selected. To evacuate that, Mr. Bharati assessed the tissue culture technique, and through that he used to develop a new variety of bamboo, and that he termed as Bima. For this project, all over 250 employees from his office has contributed them in the lab work. He used to keep the name Bhima, which resembles same as the strongest character of Mahabharata Bhiman. If we take bamboo plant all over the world, including most of that have thorns with it. Due to this thorns, the snakes make this plant as a habitat. When compare this thorn bamboo with the shrub bamboo type, a flocks of snakes will be there at shrub bamboo types. But in case of Bima bamboo, there is no thorns. And if we take other category of bamboo plant, it can cultivate, grow and produce flowers and end their life within 30 years. If once an ordinary bamboo ends its life, in that place we have to transplant a new bamboo plant. But in the case of Bima, it is not a flowering category and it will not end its life. Averagely, it keep on growing for more than 100, 150 or 300 years. And in case of commercial purpose, if it tends to harvest the Bima bamboo, it's not necessary to transplant another Bima in that place. Wherever the region is cultivated, from that spot Bima bamboo start to germinate. If we transplant a single Bima bamboo within a year, it germinates into 7 Bima bamboos. At this germination is initiated from soil part of the plant In the second year, additionally 8 Bima plant will germinate, and in third year 10, and in fourth year 10, and so on. It's used to germinate continuously. But if we take other ordinary bamboo, it took 1 year to germinate 3 bamboo plants. Hence why it is calculated that an ordinary plant produces 400 kg in 1 acre, but same this Bima bamboo cultivate 40,000 plants in 1 acre. If a farmer cultivating paddy for a year, he can hold a sum of 7,000 rupees only as income. If a farmer cultivates Bima bamboo and if he just sells it for firewood purpose alone itself, he can able to hold 1 lakh income per year. Beyond that, bamboo plant has high scope in coal applications, cement factory, cotton industry, firewood, ornamental materials, paper mills, logistics. But in India, the cultivation of bamboo plant is low in stage. This results in high demand of bamboo for this above mentioned business. In Maharashtra, they allot a separate sector for bamboo and developing the cultivation region for bamboos. When compared to Northeast India, in South India, the bamboo cultivation is too worse. Because already mentioned, only two types of bamboos are there in Tamil Nadu. But this condition will overcome if Bima bamboo hold on the floor. Conventional to coal, we can use ethanol, petrol and electricity as fuel in vehicles. For example, from 1 kilogram of Bima, we can generate 1 kilowatt electricity, and from 4 kilogram of Bima bamboo, we can produce 1.2 liters of ethanol, and from 1 ton of Bima bamboo, we can produce 1 ton of coal, is what Mr. Bharati and his employees invented. And they described about this Bima bamboo to many industrial sector companies, and for past 10 years they manufactured Bima bamboo to many countries. And additionally, Mr. Bharati proposed that Bima bamboo can able to control drastic climatic changes and global warming too. Generally, if we take tree, plants, climbers, etc., is used to absorb toxic carbon dioxide and release oxygen into environment. But it differs according to the species of each plant and climbers. For example, if we take Amazon forest, it generates 12,000 kilo of oxygen from 1 acre of land. But in case of Bima bamboo, it produces 62,000 kilo of oxygen from the same 1 acre of land. And it has 300 years life, so it can able to trap more carbon dioxide in their stem. But this calculation reveals that one Bima bamboo can able to trap 450 kilos of carbon dioxide and releases 320 kilos of oxygen. Just one Bima bamboo plant. If we take a person, he needs just 250 kilo of oxygen per year. So it reveals that if each person plant a Bima bamboo, we can get tremendous amount of oxygen and trapping of carbon dioxide. Tamil Nadu government and some private sectors has created oxygen parks by having this Bima bamboo is the main evidence for this above fact. One best example is Tamil Nadu Agriculture University at Kovai has launched oxygen park by installing this Bima bamboo. Likewise, in case of Tamil Nadu Government Career Development Corporation has installed an oxygen park at Chiruseri IIT Park. And America's #1 private petrol company Shell has making attempts to produce petrol from this Bima bamboo, which is from Tamil Nadu. Guys, I hope so you enjoyed the video and got little bit awareness from that. If you like today's video, hit that like button and subscribe for more such amazing content. Catch you guys with my upcoming videos as soon as. Take care, bye bye.